Welcome to Principles of Accounting 2. My name is Ms. Horn and I will be your instructor for the summer. Some of you may have had me in Accounting 1 or Business Statistics, but if you haven't taken a class from me before, I hope that you enjoy it. I just wanted to do a quick overview. This is the home page, and you're probably familiar with online courses, so I'm going to do this briefly. Here's my contact information, my Google Voice number, which you can call or text, my email, and then you can message me by Canvas. Also, your textbook, and then your weekly assignments will be updated each week on here. So once you're ready to get started, you can click on Start, and it's going to take you to the online orientation module. Then you have the important course information module, which has your textbook information, software requirements, your syllabus, and your calendar, and other things. You must view everything in this module before you can move on to the next. And then you have the Cengage Help and tutorials. This will show you how to get your computer prepared and what to use for your online homework. And so if you had Accounting 1 and used Cengage, you may be familiar with this. This is going to show you how to register, and then there's some other helpful resources in here. Then you have like your first chapter, and so you're going to have video quizzes, which if you took Accounting 1, you're probably familiar with these. This is where it's a video on a particular topic in the chapter, and then you have your video quiz to take after you watch the video. Keep in mind, you can watch the video as many times as you need, but once you start the quiz, you only get one attempt. So most of the chapters are set up like this. You also have your mid-proctored exams to schedule in smarter proctoring. Everything about online courses for homes is in the online orientation course review. So I highly encourage you to refer back to it if you need to watch the video on how to schedule your exams or anything like that. Go into the orientation review and it will probably be there. Do that before you message me, just to make sure that you can get that answered without having to wait for me to respond back to you. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great first week.